Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming to you from the Czech Republic in Central Europe. Czech Republic was part of Czechoslovakia back in the days until 1993, when there was a peaceful split that led to the formation of the Czech Republic and Slovakia as two independent states. I'm currently in Prague, which is the capital city of the Czech Republic, and I'm here to explore and see what the city has to offer. I'm now in a part of Prague known as Petrin, and I'm on a hill which has several gardens, and this place is very peaceful and it overlooks Prague. It also has a tower which has a panoramic view of Prague, and it's worth coming to see that if you come to Prague. addition to its natural beauty and spectacular views, There's also historical significance of this place in that it was here that the vineyard for the nearby Prague Castle was located back in the 17th century. A really nice place to come if you come to Prague. It's very peaceful, very quiet, and it's beautiful. Very nice up here. I really like it. The tower behind me is the Petrin Tower, and it's located on the Petrin Hill in Prague, in the Czech Republic. I would advise, if you come to Prague, make a trip to this place. Stunning views, and you love it. This tower was built back in 1891. A group of tourists left Prague and went to Paris and were inspired by the Eiffel Tower and wanted to build something similar to the tower in France. So they came back in 1891 and this was completed in 4 months after they raised some money themselves. The tower was used as a radio tower and an observation point, as it has a panoramic view of Prague. So I'm gonna go take a look at the tower now so I can experience that panoramic view myself. Heading to the top now so I can see those stunning views. I've been dying of the whole of Prague, and this is gonna give me an opportunity. The Eiffel Tower of Prague, Petrin Tower. From here I can see the Prague Castle over there, and this castle is the largest ancient castle according to the Guinness Book of Records. It covers an area of 70,000 square meters and is the current seat of the President of the Czech Republic. In the past, it also was a seat of power for Roman emperors and presidents of Czechoslovakia as well. That is also another must visit place if you come to Prague. It is estimated that about 1.8 million tourists visit this castle every year. I'm gonna go further up on the tower and to see more. Always been afraid of heights, so I'm taking it easy, slowly going down. Yeah, always been afraid of heights, honestly. Oof. Just a few steps from the Petrín Lookout Tower and you will reach the Mirror Maze. It looks like a small Gothic castle with turrets and battlements. Inside you'll find an intricate quest to get out between the mirrors that return an infinite image of yourself. Next to it is the Church of St. Lawrence in Petrin, which belongs among the pilgrimage sites to which the Stations of the Cross led. The church, built in Baroque style, serves the purposes of the Catholic Church today. Up on the Petrin Hill, you'll also find the Hunger Wall. It was originally referred to as Zubata after its bastion appearance, but soon people started calling it Chlebova, which means bread, or Adlova, Hungary, following the famine in 1361. The construction provided a great deal of labor for the people of Prague, giving them a job and bread to live on. So that was a myth about the wall.